What's up, guys? Welcome back to Financier Pro. Today I'm going to talk about my Jewelers Club. It already has hit my credit report, and now I'm going to go to my credit report. I use Identity Q, not a paid sponsorship, but I love them because I get to monitor my credit. Alerts are sent 24/7 if anything happens. So I'm going to jump into it. Please comment below. Please subscribe to the channel. Let's get to it. $5,000 primary trade line added to your credit report. This will help you. And it's a fee of $99 per year for my Jewelers Club. I'm going to my identity queue right now, and it is, the account type is revolving, which is good because that'll add to your other credit cards. But my jewelers is not a credit card, but it's still a revolving account, so that helps with the debt to income ratio and your balance of installment loans plus revolving. So I have a $54 balance on my Jewelers Club out of 5,000. I ordered like a $99 watch plus tax. I gave that to my son. So that hit the credit report the same month. I want to say the same month or the first of the next month. It was pretty fast because if you pay between a certain date, it hits your credit report really fast. So it hit TransUnion, Experian, and it hit Equifax later on, probably maybe a couple days or a week or two later. But it does hit all three credit reports, and it is excellent for debt to income ratio. Let's see a little bit about my Jewelers Club. Easy approval, as long as you don't have like an open bankruptcy or anything like that. Um, $5,000 unsecured revolving line of credit, a low 19.9% APR flexible payments, members only discounts. Remember, what I'm using it for is building my credit, debt to income, looking great. I'm not really ordering a bunch of stuff off there. I just don't do that. You gotta have discipline when you're using credit. Not a credit card to be used anywhere except in my Jewelers Club. So they probably have some type of card or whatever, but I'll just go to the website, set it up one time, just like New Coast Direct. I will make a video on that, guys, as well. I'm waiting on them to hit my credit report this month, actually. Let's see, available in all U.S. states except Wyoming, Alabama, and Mississippi. The trade line is added after you place an initial order of $100 or greater. They don't make you pay everything up front. You can pay your $99 plus 50% of what you order. Approval not based on credit scores. Remember that. Line of credit that reports to Equifax, TransUnion, and Experian. $99 sign up. If you are not approved, the $99 is refundable. Remember that. One time minimum purchase of $100 with 50% down. You have to pay that $99 plus 50% of whatever you purchase. At least $100. So I had $99 plus tax. Average of 10 to 50 point increase in credit scores the first month of reporting. And that is not guaranteed, that's just an average. Reasons for non-approval: active open bankruptcy, child support in the arrears, tax lien over 25,000. So even if you have some type of child support on there, you still might be able to get approved. There's no guarantee though. But I know a lot of people will not approve you for an open bankruptcy. That is a no-no. Get that settled. Go to my Jewelers Club. Get that primary trade line added to your credit report. What do you guys think about that? What other trade lines do you know about? Please subscribe to the channel. See you next time.